Shall we start with the revision? Ready, all of you? Okay. Whoever's name I speak will give the answer. If you do not know the answer, you can say that, ma'am, I don't know. Okay? But no response, video off, then I will remove. I want the response, either yes or no from you all. Okay? We start with chapter 1. I'm asking the questions between the chapter. Again, if you want, you can keep your textbook open. टेक्स्ट में से फाइंड करके भी अगर आप चाहो तो यू कैन गिव द आंसर्स बट यू शुड बी नोइंग वेयर द आंसर्स आर ओके चलो विल बी स्टार्टिंग विद हर्षित रेडी फॉर द क्वेश्चन ओके हर्षित द टर्किश मुस्लिम्स had captured which place in 1453 your voice is not coming better check your mics wire check करो हाँ yes yes it's Constantinople क्या बोलोगे Constantinople so the Muslims had captured Constantinople due to which the land route between India and other countries had stopped okay very good Harshit चलो वंश okay who discovered the new sea route to India yes it's Vasco da Gama very easy correct next Sahil who is known as the tiger of Mysore who is known as the tiger of Mysore yes it's Tipu Sultan very good then next will be Prem yes Prem which system was like a sweet poison for the Indian kings this we learned in 8th standard also which system acted like a sweet poison for the Indian states okay chalo the question will pass on to Krish yes Krish yes, it is the subsidiary alliance policy, according to which the Indian kings thought that they are benefited initially, but actually the Britishers were benefited indirectly, and so it is known as a sweet poison. Very good. Next will be Kavya. Okay. Who was the Nawab of Bengal who had many, you can say, enemies in the court? एक ऐसा honest Nawab of Bengal, strict Nawab of Bengal, and because he was very honest, because he was very strict, he had so many competitors or enemies. Who was that Nawab? Kavya. Okay, Kavya does not know the answer. So Darshan will be giving the answer. Darshan. Vansh wrong. Rudra wrong. Rudra, William Bentinck was the Nawab of Bengal. चलो दर्शन चलो दर्शन वैसे भी रिप्लाई नहीं करता कभी भी सो टुडे स्पेशली विल नॉट बी अलाउड टू सिट Next is Yuvraj. Yes, Yuvraj. Which Nawab of Bengal had many enemies? Chalo, I've received the correct answer from Kavya in the chat box. It's Sirajuddaulah. Correct, Kavya. Sirajuddaulah, because he was very strict, because he did not give any benefits to the Britishers, so he had lot of enemies in the court. Okay? Correct, Kavya. Chalo. Now Yuvraj will be giving the next answer. Ready, Yuvraj? Okay, Lord Dalhousie. Do you remember Lord Dalhousie? Yes, he was an imperialist ruler. He was a very cruel ruler. He wanted to expand the British rule in India. But along with imperialist, he was also known as. Okay, Yuvraj does not know the answer. Then we'll pass it to Krisha. Yes, Krisha? Yes, he was also known as a reformist or a reformer. Okay? Lord Dalhousie was known as an imperialist as well as a reformist. And this is as can give reasons also. What were the reforms started by Dalhousie or why he was known as a reformist? You should be knowing the answer. Okay, all of you? Chalo, next is Sneha. The first railway line was laid between. Yes, very good. It's Mumbai and Thane. For the first time, Mumbai and Thane were connected with railway line in the year 1853. ये खास याद रखना. Okay? चलो, next is Anuj. Anuj, ready? Okay, now for Anuj, we are going to chapter number 8. Civics का chapter 8 है ना हमारे पास? Yes or no? Okay. So let's move to chapter 8. Anuj, ready for the question? Okay, Anuj. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of constitution? Who was the chairman of the drafting committee? Anuj. Okay, Anuj. Anuj does not know the answer, so it will pass to Rudra. Yes, Rudra. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee? It's Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. Okay? Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. Very good. Correct. Next question to Prithvi. Prithvi, ready? In which year was the constitution ready, or you can say prepared? In which year was the constitution ready or prepared? No. 46 में उसका काम स्टार्ट हुआ था. The work was started in 46. The question is when did it end? रुद्र करेक्ट. वो मैंने आपको बताया था. Yes, it's 1949. Correct. चलो next is Vansh. Okay. When was the constitution implemented? Or you can say when did it come into force? Very good. It's 26 January 1950. And that day is celebrated as the Republic Day. Very good. Correct. Next is Sahil. साहिल बातें करो फिर बताना क्वेश्चन पूछती हूँ. रेडी साहिल? Okay. The Constitution of India begins with a. You can find from the textbook. इतनी छूट दी है. The Constitution of India begins with a Kavya correct. Harshit correct. Krish correct. Sahil, do you know the answer? Yuvraj want to try? बोलो. Preamble correct. Sahil, the Constitution of India starts with a preamble. And preamble means you can say the first page which includes all the features of our Indian Constitution. Okay, Sahil? Okay. Kavya, Anuj, the yes, Kavya, the question for you. At what age does a citizen receive the adult suffrage? It's 18 years. At the age of 18, you are given the right to vote, which is known as adult suffrage. Very good. Chalo, next is Darsh. दर्श, चलो दर्श बाय बाय बेटा. अभी इतने रिमाइंडर के बाद जैसे काव्य अभी जा रहा है बिकॉज योर वीडियो इज ऑफ. चलो ध्रुव. ध्रुव, द क्वेश्चन फॉर यू. हाउ मेनी सब्जेक्ट्स आर देयर इन द यूनियन लिस्ट? How many subjects are there in the union list? Prem will give this answer. Yes, Prem. Sneha, correct. Yes, there are 97 subjects in the union list. Correct. Very good. Next is Krish. Krish, the question for you. Uh, the constitution of which country is not in the written form? We know that India's constitution is in the written form and it is actually the longest written constitution in the world. But there are some countries who don't have any written constitution, orally the rules are made. Can you name any one country? Krish? Okay, the question will pass on to Kavya. Yes, Kavya. Actually, there are two countries given to us in the textbook, but you can name any one country which does not have the constitution in the oral form, in the written form. Yes, Britain, that is England and Israel, do not have the constitution in the written form. The two countries are Britain and Israel. If any one is asked, you can write Britain. Actually, Israel also correct. Okay. Chalo, next is Prithvi. Ah, yes, you can write. Chalo, Prithvi, the question for you. How many subjects are there in the concurrent list? Kavya correct. Krish correct. Harshit correct. Krisha correct. साहिल करेक्ट. सबको ऐसा ही होता है कि अपना खुद का आंसर नहीं आता, बाकी सब आते. Yes, correct, Prithvi. There are 47 subjects in the concurrent list. Very good. Next is Vansh. Okay. Yes, Vansh, the question for you. Okay, the question for Vansh is how many subjects are there in the state list? State list. Yes, Vansh. How many subjects in the state list? Yes, it's 66 subjects. So what we will remember? Union list 97, state list 66 and concurrent list 47. Okay? Good Vansh. Chalo. Next is Krish. Ready, Krish? What is the name of the lower house of the parliament? Which is the lower house? No. Yes, it is Lok Sabha. Actually मैंने आपको पहले सिखाया था but you might not be remembering. लोकसभा लोअर हाउस एल एल ऐसे याद रखोगे एल फॉर लोकसभा एल फॉर लोअर हाउस एंड ऑटोमेटिकली ये क्वेश्चन मुझे पूछना था बट नाउ इट्स ऑब्वियस अपर हाउस इज नोन एज राज्यसभा ओके तो लोकसभा लोअर हाउस राज्यसभा अपर हाउस ओके एनी डाउट्स okay now it's the turn of Kavya and we are going to chapter number 13 so if you want you can take out chapter 13 in your textbook. Ready for the questions, Kavya? Okay. Yes, Kavya. Which latitude passes exactly through the middle of India? I'm not talking about the Earth. Which latitude passes exactly from the middle of India? Okay, chalo, Anuj, give me the answer. Anuj. Yes, it's Tropic of Cancer. जैसे ही equator divides the earth into two equal parts. Similarly, Tropic of Cancer divides India into two equal parts. मतलब Tropic of Cancer passes exactly through the middle of India. Correct, Anuj. Next is Dhruv. Dhruv, the question for you. Which state in India sees the first sunrise? Or you can say the sunrise starts from which state in India? सबसे पहला सनराइज कहाँ पर दिखता है? अच्छा ध्रुव, टेल मी इन विच डायरेक्शन डज द सनराइज? सनराइज इज इन विच डायरेक्शन ध्रुव? ये थर्ड स्टैंडर्ड का क्वेश्चन है. वेट, अनुज करेक्ट. अच्छा कोई भी बता सकता है कि सन राइजेज इन विच डायरेक्शन? ईस्ट. So what we have to think about कि which is the eastern most state of India. ये तो हमें पता है कि सनराइज इज इन द ईस्ट. तो इंडिया का सबसे ईस्ट स्टेट होगा, वहां पर द सनराइज विल बी सीन फर्स्ट. ओके, सो थिंक अकॉर्डिंगली. रुद्र वांट टू ट्राई? रुद्र, सॉरी. Your voice is not clear, beta. You can type in the chat box. Krish, correct. Yuvraj, correct. Chalo, Rudra waiting for you fast. Okay, Krisha knows the answer. Rudra, Bhutan is the state of India. Very bad. ठीक है, Prithvi. Prithvi can give the answer. Yes, Prithvi. Yes, it is Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh is the easternmost state of India, and the first sunrise is seen over there. Correct. Chalo, Krisha. The standard meridian of India passes through how many states? हमारा जो प्राइम मेरिडियन है स्टैंडर्ड इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड टाइम वो लॉन्जिट्यूड कितने स्टेट्स में से पास होता है? यस करेक्ट, इट इज 5 states. वो 5 states से पास होता है. वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट इज साहिल. In terms of area, what is the rank of India? Size wise, इंडिया का रैंक कौन सा आता है इन द वर्ल्ड? हर्षित करेक्ट. वंश करेक्ट. पृथ्वी करेक्ट. युवराज रॉन्ग. प्रेम रैंक पूछा है, एरिया नहीं पूछा है. स्नेहा करेक्ट. Area wise, what is the rank of India in the world? Krisha correct, Yuvraj correct. Chalo, Kavya will give me the answer. Yes, Kavya. Kavya. First, let me remove Kavya. Are you there, Kavya? Do you know the rank of India? Area wise? Very good. Vansh, give me the answer. Yes, it is 7th rank. This means that there are 6 countries bigger than India and 7th one is India. Okay? Any doubts? Okay, now before going to the next question, I will take your attendance and after that Sneha will be giving the answer. Okay, Sneha, be ready. By that time, let me take the attendance.